all y'all truckers out there. It's your boy, Chris the Trucker. As y'all can see, I'm in the rental car, headed to Kentucky to pick up another truck. Yeah. They told me to grab a rental car and go to Kentucky pick up another truck. So I had to get all my shit out of my truck so I can go put it in the other truck. Man, this is an experience, man. This is a hell of an experience right now. I don't know what's going when I get where I'm going. This truck is alright. I don't know if it's abandoned. I don't know if it needs work on it. But yeah, man, a lot of unknown right now. It's kind of stressful. But hopefully, about to be on the up and up. But we'll see. This video ain't gonna be that long, man. I just want to give y'all an update of what's going on with me. Like I said, I'm on my way to Kentucky to get this rental car. I mean, not the rental car. I'm going to get the damn truck. What I'm talking about. I'm going to get the truck. And as soon as I get to where I'm going, man, I'll let y'all know what's going on. Alright, y'all, made it to my new truck. Everything seemed to be good and intact. Only got about 58,000 miles, so I think I'll be in a little bit better shape than I was. I had 154,000 on the last truck, so this one a little bit newer. Everything seemed to be working on it pretty good. All good, all my fluids good, everything. Checked everything out as much as I can. You know, it's nighttime or whatever. I'm gonna do a full one in the morning when I can see about the fifth wheel and all that good stuff before I move it. Gonna have to take this rental car back in the morning. Man, I tell you, man, it's been quite an experience for me, man. I'm getting it in early. I'm getting all the bad stuff in early, but hopefully it'll be up and up from here. We'll see. To the next episode, man. Y'all just stay tuned, because ain't no telling what I might come up with next. The way things going, I'll probably have another story to tell. But I ain't gonna hold you no longer. Y'all drive safe out there, man. Everybody try to be safe. Have a good night. Till next time, to the next episode. It's your boy Chris the Trucker signing off. Y'all keep on trucking.